Independence Day 2026 MCQs. When did India gain independence from British rule? A. August 15, 1945. B. August 15, 1946. C. August 15, 1947. D. January 26, 1950. Correct answer is C. August 15, 1947. Which Independence Day will India celebrate on August 15, 2026? A. 78th. B. 79th. C. 80th. D. 81st. Correct answer is C. 80th. How many years of independence will India complete on August 15, 2026? A. 77 years. B. 78 years. C. 79 years. D. 80 years. C. 79 years. Who became the first Prime Minister of independent India? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Jawaharlal Nehru is the correct answer. Next question. Where does the Prime Minister traditionally hoist the national flag on Independence Day? A. India Gate. B. Parliament House. C. Red Fort. D. Rashtrapati Bhavan. Correct answer is C. Red Fort. At which gate of the Red Fort did Jawaharlal Nehru raise the national flag on 15 August 1947? A. Delhi Gate. B. Lahori Gate. C. Kashmiri Gate. D. Ajmeri Gate. Correct answer is B. Lahori Gate. Who was the last Viceroy of British India? A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Wavell. C. Lord Mountbatten. D. Lord Irwin. Correct answer is C. Lord Mountbatten. Next question. Who was the first Governor General of Independent India? A. C. Rajagopalachari. B. Lord Mountbatten. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Correct answer is B. Lord Mountbatten. Next question. Who was the first Indian Governor General of India? A. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. C. Rajagopalachari. D. Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. Correct answer is C. Rajagopalachari. Which act provided for the creation of India and Pakistan as independent dominions? A. Government of India Act 1935. B. Indian Councils Act 1909. Indian Independence Act 1947. D. Rowlatt Act 1919. Correct answer is C. Indian Independence Act 1947. In which month and year was the Indian Independence Act passed by the British Parliament? A. August 1947. B. July 1947. C. June 1947. D. January 1947. Correct answer is B. July 1947. Next, who gave the famous Tryst with Destiny speech? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Which plan became the basis for the partition of British India? A. Macaulay Plan. B. Attlee Plan. C. Montagu-Chelmsford Plan. D. Mountbatten Plan. Correct answer is D. Mountbatten Plan. Who was the first British Prime Minister when India became independent? A. Winston Churchill. B. Clement Attlee. C. Ramsay MacDonald. D. Anthony Eden. Correct answer is B. Clement Attlee. Who was the British monarch at the time of Indian independence? A. George V. B. Edward VII. C. George VI. D. Edward VII. Correct answer is C. George VI. Who designed the basic form of Indian national flag? A. Nandlal Bose. B. Pingali Venkaiah. C. Avanindranath Tagore. D. Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer is B. Pingali Venkaiah. When did the Constituent Assembly adopt the national flag? A. July 22, 1947. B. August 15, 1947. C. January 26, 1950. D. November 26, 1949. Correct answer is A. July 22, 1947. How many spokes does the Ashok Chakra have? A. 12. B. 18. C. 24. D. 32. C. 24. Correct answer is C. 24. What is the length to height ratio of the Indian national flag? A. 2:1. B. 3:2. C. 4:3. D. 5:3. Correct answer is 3:2. Which color forms the upper band of the Indian national flag? A. Green. B. White. C. Saffron. D. Blue. Correct answer is C. Saffron. Who wrote Vande Mataram? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is B. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Next question. Who wrote the lyrics of India's national anthem Jana Gana Mana? A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. B. Rabindranath Tagore. C. Subramaniam Bharati. D. Sarojini Naidu. Correct answer is B. Rabindranath Tagore. Next question. When was Jana Gana Mana adopted as India's national anthem? A. August 15, 1947. B. November 26, 1949. C. January 24, 1950. D. January 26, 1950. Correct answer is C. January 24, 1950. Next question. When did the Constitution of India come into force? A. August 15, 1947. B. November 26, 1949. C. January 24, 1950. D. January 26, 1950. D. January 26, 1950. Next question. Why is January 26 celebrated as Republic Day? A. India became independent on this date. B. The constitution was drafted on this date. C. The constitution came into force on this date. D. The first general election was held on this date. Correct answer is C. The constitution came into force on this date. Next question. Who chaired the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Correct answer is B. B.R. Ambedkar. Next question. Who presided over the Constituent Assembly? A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. B. B.R. Ambedkar. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. A. Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the correct answer.